good evening. Hi Rohit. Hi Vijay. So share to your friends that the class has started. Just ping in your groups. So today I will be continuing my foundation course class. Hi Harish Kumar. So today I will be explaining you about percentages and I will be explaining you regarding variations. What is variation and how different factors will affect the variation. So today I will discuss these two basics and I will add this basics to the questions. Then I will solve some more questions. Did anybody answer the previous question yesterday? Yesterday we have ended with one question. Did anybody got the answer there? Right. So time and again I am saying the same thing, right? So it got huge blockbuster in UPSC. Later on, this iconic was started in all higher end courses like GATE, CAT, and all other examinations. So what is the difference between plus and iconic? So these are the things that you get on plus. Apart from plus, the major boost is you will get a personal coach in iconic. So he will be at least from an IIT or the person who got very good marks in the examination. So he will completely analyze you, means SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunities and threat. So he will prepare a schedule, which topic has to be started first, then next according to your strength and weakness. You will get instant study material for each and every topic. You will get summary sessions, right? Short notes for each and every topic. You will get analysis for each and every topic, right? How to boost your score. How to boost your score. So for iconic, how much you have to invest? Now this is 2,775 per month. So when you use my code NLN10, you will get 10% discount. And after discount, the price is 45,225. For plus, it will be 27,225 per year after discount when you use my code. And this is for 18 months and 24 months. Yes, and see here, apart from the 10% discount, what you get, you will get guidance of all these subjects. And you will get my entire group guidance, right from Ankit sir, me, Bhima sir, Kamesh sir, at last finally to me. Sir, in Unacademy also foundation course start. Yes, Ranjan, yes, I have started it. So download the Unacademy app. So on Unacademy, I have done many videos regarding various examinations. So this is the link to follow me on Unacademy. More than 3,000 members are following me on Unacademy. Right? Do try to follow and watch the videos there. Now, as the first and second season of Unacademy Combat was huge blockbuster, on January 12th, the next Unacademy Combat is going to happen. You can unlock this Unacademy Combat. You can compete with the educators with your best solutions. You can unlock the combat using my code NLN10 there. And these are the batches that have started. On Jan 16th, I am going to start on Plus, a new foundation course for Plus students. So do try to subscribe. Yes, Suraj. Yes, Suraj. Right. So this is what we have discussed yesterday. We have discussed ratio, proportion and variation. And I have discussed the definition of ratio and how the ratio numbers will be there. And this is proportion. What I have discussed different rules, componendo, dividendo and componendo and dividendo rule. Different scenarios in proportion. Yes. Now see here, this is the question that I gave you as homework. Nobody have answered me. I have checked the comment section box also. Anybody got the answer there? Now see here, this is your previous question which was asked in 2013. So I have changed the pattern of the question little bit on higher note in order to find out the answer. So Satvik have said the answer as A. 127. Very good, very good. Now observe the question. Now see here. In this type of questions, there will be no higher order mathematics. There will be no higher order mathematics here. So for this type of question, there will be n different ways of solving the question. But you have to find out a way where you can solve the question within stipulated time. Matlab 1 or 2 minutes. Now dekho, Rangarao is a typical merchant who sells apples. First, he gives half of the total apples that he has and half an apple, full stop. Then he gives half of the remaining and half an apple. He gives into the same manner. After 7 times all apples are over. How many apples did he initially have is the question asked. Yes, Arthvik, very good, very good. Now देखो इधर, you don't know how many apples are there in the basket. So if you start from the initial point, you might take some 10 to 12 probabilities. Out of this one probability will be correct. Now देखो इधर, in this 12 probabilities, if you miss doing on each and everything, automatically you take more time. So you have to find out a way where you can get answer in only one way, only one probability, only one chance, where you can start. Yes, I can start like this. This is the point where I can frame perfect equation. After 7 times all apples are over. Yes, this is the point where I can start my question easily, where I can get concretely one equation. Now see here, I'll write down like this. Seventh time. So once observe there, at the 7th time, let us consider there are x apples in the basket. Now what happens? Rangara will sell half of the apples, x by 2 plus half an apple. Am I right or wrong? This is what Rangara sells. Now from the total apples in the basket, if you remove the number of apples what Rangara have sold, now this must be equal to how much? This must be equal to 0, because after 7 times all the apples are over. Yes, you got a concrete equation there here. Now see here, you can frame your answer perfectly in this manner. Now solve this. X minus, now this bracket will be this x plus 1, am I right or wrong, is equal to 0. Now upon simplifying this, this becomes 2x minus x minus 1, right, and is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 1. Now see here, matlab by the 7th time in the basket there is only one apple. There is only one apple. So let us concretely do 2 more iterations, then finally you can get the answer easily. Now let us take 6th time. Now observe here, let us take 6th time, there are y apples in the basket, and the same scenario will happen. Rangara will sell y by 2 apples in the basket plus half an apple. From the total apples in the basket, if you remove what Rangara have sold, now how much apples will be left over in the basket? Can anybody say in the comment section box? The apples that are left over at the end of 6th time is equal to the apples that are there in the basket at the start of 7th time. Am I right? At the start of 7th time it is 1. So automatically it will be 1 here. I think I am clear. By again crisscrossing this, you will get this 2y minus y minus 1 is equal to 2, and your y will be equal to how much? Will it be 3? Yes. I'll do one more scenario, then you can get a clarity. Let us take 5th time. Let us take 5th time. And the same, let us consider there are z apples in the basket. Now z minus z by 2. Z minus, I'll write down here like this. Z minus z by 2 plus 1 by 2 will be equal to how much? Will it be equal to 3? Yes. At last finally your z value will be equal to 7. Now there is a pattern going on there. Can anybody find out the pattern there? 7th time the apples are 1, 6th time the apples are 3, 5th time the apple will be 7, next will be 15. Now when you closely observe there, the pattern is going on like this. Am I right or wrong? Will you accept this? Yes. Now देखो, this is 7th time. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is in the pattern of 2 to the power of n minus 1. So this is the scenario. There are innumerable number of questions asked on the same pattern. So please closely observe there. Yes, this is the question that I want to make you to solve. I think I am clear. Yes, done. Right. So let us go on to percentages. So let us be clear on the calculation of the percentages, then we will start doing questions. So today's topic is about percentages. There is no need to use calci. On your fingertips you can calculate each and every percentage very easily. अब देखो इधर, what is the exact meaning of percentage? Percent, I'll write down like this, percent. Percent is nothing but equal to per 100. So this percent is represented with a symbol of like this. Am I right? Yes. Now देखो, there are many methods to solve these percentages. So I will be using different methods for you. You can choose your own method, right? Sir, I got with the help of option also, dividing each option by 7. If result is a pure number, then it is the answer, right? You can solve like this. There are many ways, right? If the number is not 7, then your approach will be wrong, Sudhir. Right? If the pattern is different, every pattern this has to work out now. Right. So let's first one. I will start with unitary method. Unitary method. Right. So what is unitary method? Can anybody say? So comparing any quantity with 1 is nothing but called unitary method. Now see here, as I am dealing with percentage, I will take my 100 percentage will be equal to 1. Am I right? Yes, I can write down like this 100. Percentage symbol can be written as 1 by 100. At last, finally, the answer will be 1. Am I right? Yes, perfectly right. So see here, I will compare my 100 percentage to 1. Now, let me know the answers in fractions. So half of 100 percentage will be how much? 50 percentage. And your value will be equal to 1 by 2. Right. Now, half of 50 is how much? Is it 25? The answer will be how much? Is it 1 by 4? Yes, perfectly. Now, half of 25 will be how much? Is it 12.5? Yes. Now, how much is 12.5? Is it 1 by 8? Yes, done. So, here up to here everybody know. Now, let me know what is 37.5 percentage. Can anybody say in the comment section box? How much is 37.5 in fraction? Now see here, in 37.5 there are three 12.5s. Am I right or wrong? 12.5 plus 12.5 is 25. Again add one more 12.5, it is 37.5. Each 12.5 is 1 by 8. So your 37.5 is nothing but 3 by 8. This everybody know. Now come to here 62.5. Can anybody say 62.5? Now 62.5 contains 5 12.5s, so this is 5 by 8. So those who can convert these percentages into fractions very easily can solve the questions fatafat. Now the next one is 87.5. Can anybody say what is the answer there? 100 percentage is 1. 12.5 is 1 by 8. 1 minus 1 by 8 is nothing but how much? 7 by 8. There are various methods now. Now if you add this 2, that becomes 37.5. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 will always be lead to 3 by 8 only. So what I am saying is my approach is simplest one. You can use different techniques to solve. Now everybody know about this. Now my question is 1 is over, 1 by 2 is over. Now I wrote 1 by 3 fraction. Now can anybody say what is 1 by 3 in percentage? Can I write down like this? 33, 3s are 99, 99 plus 1 is 100. 100 by 3 is nothing but 1 by 3. Am I right or wrong? So multiplying this becomes 100 by 3. Percentage symbol can be converted as 1 by 100. At last, finally, your answer is 1 by 3. Now, this is the answer. Am I right? Yes. Don't write in fractions. Write in mixed fractions only. Don't say in point values. So, 1 by 3 is over. Let me come to 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is how much? Is it 20 percentage? Yes, perfectly. Now come to 1 by 6. How much is 1 by 6? So can I write down like this? 3s are 16. 3s are how much? 48. 48 plus 2 is 50 by 3. 50 by 3 is nothing but 100 by 6. 100 by 6 is nothing but is equal to 1 by 6. Am I right? Perfectly right. Now come to 1 by 7. Writing down in mixed fractions is very easy. 7s are 14 sevens are 98 plus 2, 98 plus 2, 100 by 7 percentage will be equal to 1 by 7. Already you know 1 by 8. Come to 1 by 9. How can you write 1 by 9? So 9s are 9, 11s are 99. Yes. Yes, Ramesh. Yes, Ramesh. Special class is in Hindi. Ramesh Panda. Yes. Special class is in Hindi. 1 by 11. So can anybody say 1 by 11? 11 nines are 99 plus 1 percentage. Now they go up to here, it is okay. Now see here, 99%, I mean 99 percentage of your percentages can be converted into fractions very easily. Sometimes it takes a little bit higher time. So we have another method also to solve the questions. Now I will show you how to solve the questions, right? So the next method is distribution method. What is this distribution method? What is this distribution method? Now let us take an example, then I will give with an very easy factors. Now once closely observe there, let us consider in this class there are 1600 members. Now this 1600 members entire class I will be considering as 100%. Now how much will be 10% value, ma? Is it 160? Yes. How much is 1% value? Is it 16? Yes. Now देखो इधर. Now I will change the questions like this and let me know. So you must not use your pen to solve. You must not use your pen to solve, right? So you have to calculate in your mind only. Now let me complete this. 48% of 1600 is how much? Now देखो इधर. I will be solving with my mind only, right? Now देखो इधर 50% is how much? 800. Am I right or wrong? 800. Now 1% is how much? 16. 2% is how much? 32. Now is this nothing but 50% minus 2% is nothing but 48%? Please let me know the answer. Now what is the answer for this? Is it 768? Now देखो इधर, if you try to convert this 48% into fraction, it takes more time than this. So see, sometimes converting into fractions also takes more time rather than doing this. This is very easy. Now see here. Now let me know and see here, in some scenarios you can use both the techniques, this unitary method and also your percent distribution method, both. Right, 768 here. What is 3768? Up देखो, if I ask you like this, let me know the answer for this. 57.5% of 1600. Let me know the answer for this. Anybody? Can anybody answer this? Can anybody answer this? Waiting for the answer. 57.5% of 1600. Now देखो, I will use my little bit knowledge there. Can I break down this into 62.5% minus 5%? Yes, I can break down like this. Yes, perfectly. I know 62.5 as 5 by 8. 5 by 8 into 1600 is how much, ma'am? Is it 1000? Yes, perfectly, it is 1000. Minus 5%, 10% value is 160. 5% value will be 80. So my answer is 920. Suraj, no, you 920 here, it is not 918. 920. Ab dekho, see here, 62.5 is 5 by 8. 5 by 8 of 1600 is how much? 1000. 1000 minus 80 will be how much? 920. Right? So don't jump into conclusions. Be little bit cautious while calculating, right? This is very important. Now this helps you to save your time more. Done. So I'll give you one more example. Let me know the answer for this. So how can you calculate this? 67% of 1600. So you can calculate on your own basis, right? You can break into some 1000 parts, which makes you easily. Now see here, 67%, I am not using any pen. I know 50 percentage, which is 800. I know 10 percentage, which is 160. Am I right or wrong? So 80 plus 800 plus 160 is how much? 960. 60 percentage is over. So I know 5 percentage, 80. 80 means 1040. 65 percentage is over. 2 percentage, 32. Now see here, I didn't use any pen there. I know 50 percentage value, 800. I know 10 percentage value, 160. I know 5 percentage value, 80. I know 2 percentage value, 32. So see here, I have calculated in my mind only. Let me know, is it right? 1072 is your answer. So it depends upon your own logic. How you break down the things will be entirely dependent upon your own logic, right? Nobody will force you to do only in this manner. So this is what I say. You can use unitary method, you can use distribution method, you can use both the techniques in order to solve the question. I think I am clear regarding this. Is it clear? Any doubts in this? Any doubts in this? Yes. Shall we see some more questions there? Now let me know the answer for this. Anybody? 73 percentage of, or can I do like this? 72.5 percentage of 1600. Anybody answer for this? Anybody answer for this? This is very easy. You can break them into two parts, 62.5 plus 10 percentage. Am I right or wrong? And everybody knows 62.5 percentage of 1600 is 1000. How much is 10 percentage value? Is it 160? So your answer will be how much? Is it 1160? Yes, Pawan, very good, very good, very good. So this is the way to solve the questions, percentages very easily. Now here onwards, you must not use in this technique distribution matlab giving the value. This is distribution. This is distribution. 1600 I have distributed into 100 percentage, referring each percentage as one value. One percentage value 16 here. So I have distributed here 1 percentage as 16, and it can be some other value when the 100 percentage value changes to there. Okay, I think I am clear. Yes. So let's solve some questions regarding this percentages. Then we will go for, and using the previous basics also. Yes. Now, this is the question asked. This is the question asked in many placement examinations, and also once in your ESE examination also. Once check there. The value of a diamond is directly proportional to the square of its weight. So, the point here is the value of the diamond is directly proportional to square of its weight is the point given here. Yes, this is the point given there. If a diamond weighing 4 kg breaks into two pieces, the total value decreases by 37.5%. Now everybody know how much is 37.5 in fraction. Is it 3 by 8? Yes. Am I right? So see here, I will take my 100 percentage value as 1. Now it is decreased by 37.5 percentage it seems. So what will be the final value? 1 minus 3 by 8. Am I right or wrong? If it is decreased by 37.5, and the remaining value will be how much? Is it 5 by 8? Please let me know, yes or no. Yes. Now dekho, the original value will be like this. A value is equal to proportionality converting into, right, k. I'll take some k value. Weight is nothing but weight square 16k. Now what will be the value right now? See here, it is a 4 kg one. It is break down into two parts, right? If one is x, the other one will be 4 minus x. Yes. Somebody gave me B option, Sanjana. Yes, very good. Now dekho either, can I write down like this? Now the value will be x square, and here the value will be 4 minus x whole square. Now how much will be this? Now see here, 16k is the original value. Now it is decreased. Now the present value is 5 by 8. 5 by 8 of 16k is how much, ma? Can anybody say? Is it 10k? Yes. So see here, so kx square, here also kx square, here also it will be 10k. Am I right or wrong? So k gets cancelled. Let's start finally x square plus 16 plus x square minus 8x is equal to 10. At last finally you will get a quadratic equation, 2x square uh, minus 8x, and this 10 goes to this side, minus 6 is equal to 0. At last x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Yes, see here, and your roots will be how much? X is equal to 3, x is equal to 1. Am I right? So see here, if this is 3, this will be 1. If this is 1, this will be 3, and your answer is B. The whole crux point here is, those who know this 37.5, if they convert it into 1 by 8, and that will be very very easy for them to calculate. So as we are doing easy questions, let us little bit increase our toughness. Okay, why we have to be like this only? Right. Now see here, I will explain this question. It is a generalized manner. It is a generalized question. Now the question is, observe here carefully. Inflation in India is so high, it seems. Okay, recently the price of the sugar increased by 20%. Okay, by what percentage should a housewife reduce the consumption of the sugar so that expenditure on sugar can be same as before, is the question asked. So Deko, let us take like this. I have a habit of coffee, so I will plan my expenses like that to buy coffee powder for 1 month. So for that I have to know price per quantity of the coffee, and I have to know how much quantity should I buy. Am I right or wrong? Will you accept it? Now, price per kg into quantity is nothing but the total expenditure that you kept on coffee powder. Am I right or wrong? So this is the equation that you will frame, that everybody know. So I will take my price as P. I will take my quantity as Q. I will take my expenditure as E. Now see here, the original price is P, it seems. Now how much it is? It is reduced by 20%. Now 20% is nothing but in fraction it is how much? It is 1 by 5. Am I right or wrong? Yes, it is reduced by 20%. The present value will be 80% only. Now the price will be how much? Will be 4P by 5. Original price is P. Now decreased price is P by 5. Then automatically the present price will be 4P by 5. Now see here, previously you bought a quantity of Q. Now you have to reduce your quantity, reduce your consumption. Let us take the reduced consumption as X, which must be equal to same expenditure. In your pocket, same amount is there. There is no increase or decrease in the amount. So which is E only. Now what I will do is, in the place of E, can I substitute P into Q? I can substitute P into Q. Now here P gets cancelled. At last what happens there? 4Q minus 4X is equal to 5Q. Now what will be your answer there? Is there anything that I have done mistake there? 4Q minus 4X is equal to 5Q. Yes. So by what percentage should a housewife, or a yaar, increased it seems yaar. I have done with decreased. Nobody have given me yaar. Dekho yaar, it is increased, not decreased. Nobody answered me. I am Abdullah or Sheikh Abdullah, right? So here it is P plus 1 by 5. So your value has to be here 6P by 5. That's what I am doing. The price has increased, right? Now see here, I will change the equation there. Nobody have given me the correct one, right? P gets cancelled. 6Q minus 6X is equal to 5Q, and your Q value will be how much? Is it 6X? Dekho idhar. Yes, I got the point there clearly. So consumption, so that expenditure on the sugar, right? Now देखो इधर your Q value is 6x, now the present value will be 5x. Now what is the question? By what percentage should a housewife should reduce the consumption? Previously you used to get 6x, now presently you have reduced 6x minus 5x into 100, so automatically the answer will be 1 by 6. Am I right or wrong? So how much you have decreased? 1 by 6 is nothing but equal to 16 2 by 3. 16 2 by 3 percentage is equal to 16.66 percentage. This is your answer, right? So this is the thing, changing into percentages and questions. Very good. Right. So I will give you 2 minutes for this. Let me know how many can answer this simple basic percentages. And this is the question asked in 2014 examination. Right. Try it. As a time and again say, right, if you be patient, I can solve innumerable number of the best questions. It depends upon your interest. So coming 3 questions, I will be giving each 2 minutes for you. You have to solve each and every question. Then I will explain it. Yes, Ramesh. So this is English channel, Ramesh. So it will be in English. That's why I am taking Hindi on special class, Ramesh. जो समझो आप हिंदी क्लास में आ जाओ डेली 12:30 नो, ठीक है? Somebody is saying 60%. Sanjana is saying 60%. What about the remaining guys? 40 seconds for 12:30 every day. 12:30, Ramesh. Afternoon 12:30. Tomorrow class will be previous year questions solved using ratio proportions. Try to attend it. Arey yaar, only one guy, Sanjana, only one girl have answered this. What about remaining persons? Satvik, very Sudhir, Rohit, Suraj. What about remaining guys? Right? What happened? Now let us take like this, right? Entry fee in an exhibition was rupees 1 rupee, it seems. So let us take like this, right? To make it easy, I'll do like this. Now what I will do is, let us take 100 persons have visited the exhibition. So for each person, you will be taking an entry fee of 1 rupee. So what will be the total sale here? Is it 100 rupees now? Today, 100 persons visited the gallery. So from each person, you have taken 1 rupee as ticket. So the total sale will be 100 rupees. Yes, perfectly done. 100 into 1. Now what happened? Later this was reduced by 25 percentage. So you have reduced by 25 percentage is nothing but 25 percentage is nothing but 1 by 4. Now presently the ticket price is 3 by 4 only. Okay, which increased the sale by 20 percentage. Now previously your total sale was 100 rupees. Now your total sale was 120 rupees. And you are asked to find out the increase in number of visitors. Number of visitors, I will take it as N. Now is it nothing but 3 ones are 3 40s are, and your N is how much? N value will be how much? Is it 160? आप देखो how much the increase. Previously it was 100 visitors, now it is 160 visitors. Now the visitors have increased by 60 percentage. Is this the answer there? Perfectly done, and C is your option. As simple as thing, very easy questions. Right. So see here, length of the question doesn't depend that it is very tough. Now I am giving you only 1 minute to solve this question. Not more than 1 minute. It is very easy. Let me know the answer for this. 1 minute. Yes, Suraj. It is Suraj. It is not 55. It is 60. You are missing down the basic. I am unable to find from where to start. Okay. So try in your own way and check the procedure what I am saying. Then find out the difference between what I am saying and what you are checking. Okay, Sudeep. నేను ఎలా చేస్తానో చూడండి. రైట్, ఆ డిఫరెన్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. దెన్ యూ కెన్ గెట్ ది ఐడియా. డోంట్ వరీ అబౌట్ దట్. సెకండ్ క్లాస్కి మీకు అన్నీ వచ్చేయాలని అనుకోకండి. సో అపాన్ ప్రాక్టీస్ యూ విల్ డామ్ షూర్లీ గెట్ ది థింగ్స్. ఎనీబడి? టైమ్ ఈజ్ ఓవర్. Satvik, answer. So see here. In this question, there are many percentages. So what shall we do? Let us do like this. Now in my city there are 100 voters. This is very, very helpful for me. Right? In a certain city there are 100 voters. 60% of the registered voters are Congress. So for Congress there will be 60% means how many votes will be there? Is it 60 there? Yes, done. And the rest are BJP. So automatically 40 votes will be for BJP. Okay, done. In an assembly election, if 75% of registered voters, now 75% of the 60 will be how much, ma? Let me know the answer there. 75 per 3 by 4. 75% can be written as 3 by 4. So 15 4s are 60. Am I right or wrong? So automatically 45 voters. And 20%. Now 20% of voters will be 8. Am I right or wrong? Will you accept it? Yes. Now are expected to vote for candidate A. Now these persons have voted for candidate A. Now candidate A totally got 53 votes. Am I right? Yes. What percentage of registered voters are expected to vote for candidate A? Out of 100 votes, A got 53 votes and the percentage will be how much? 53%. That's the answer. Done. That's an easy one. Let's see. Let's increase array yaar. This is one of the best question yaar. So let us see how many can solve this. So the same question was asked in your ESE examination. In the place of Agora, it was given as Miso currency. Only I have changed the only value there. Let me know how many can solve this. So I will be giving you 2 minutes for this. Simple equations and ratio proportion variation based question. Let me know how many can solve this. 2 minutes. 5 is the answer. What is 5 is the answer? For which one, Satvik? 5. In how many ways can he settle the bill? Revant. Already we have done this question. Everybody is answering this very, very easily. Is it 53? No, I think so. It's not 53. Okay. For present question, it is 5. Is it? Have we done this question previously? Or you have done right now? Let's see. Let's see. In how many ways is the question asked? It's a simple equation based question. 30 seconds. Okay, Satvik. Oh, okay, fine. Very good. 5 is the answer. Very good. Yes, Rohit. Very good. Very good, yaar. What about the remaining persons, Sudhir? So tomorrow is the last class for ratio, proportions and variations. From next I will start allegation rule to continue the topic there. Okay. Now see here, Agora is a currency which is available only in 3 denominations: 1 Agora, 7 Agora and 21 Agora. Let's take like this number of agoras. I'll take like this number of agoras. So agora is a currency here. Now, in what denomination do you have 1 agora, 7 agora, and 21 agora? Let us take, I have X number of 1 agora, I have 7 Y number of 7 agora, I have Z numbers of 21 agora. A person made a bill of 51 agoras in a restaurant. If he uses at least one note of each denomination, there is no chance of zero. In how many ways he can settle the bill is the question asked. Now your equation will be x into 1 will be number of 1 agoras, 7 into y will be number of 7 agoras, total value of 7 agoras, 21 into z will be total value of 21 agoras, which is equal to 51. Now, how you will start this question is the major task now. So those who have very good presence of mind, what they will do is, as 21z is very highest number, they will start from here. They will not start with x. If you start with x, you will get many probabilities, then you will get confused. Now this is the best way. 21 ones are 21, 21 twos are 42, 21 threes are 3 twos are 6, it is more than 51. So z values will be only 2. This is the best procedure. Am I right or wrong? So देखो इधर I will do like this. If z is equal to 2, if z is equal to 2, now your equation will become what? X plus 7y is equal to 21 twos are 42. Now see here, is it equal to 9? Yes. अब देखो इधर again, here 7 twos are only, y satisfies only with one value and your x satisfies only with 2 value. Am I right or wrong? So automatically your x is equal to 2, your y is equal to 1 and your z is equal to 2. This is the only case that is possible. Will you accept it? Yes, you have to accept this. Now coming to next possibility, z is equal to 1, there is only one. Z is equal to 0 is not chance. If z is equal to 1, the equation will be how much? X plus 7y is equal to 30. Am I right or wrong? 51 minus 21 will be 30. Those who have very good presence of mind, y value can highest be 4 only. 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. Then you can start from here. Your y is equal to 4 and your z is equal to 1 is common for all the things. Now what will be your x value, ma? Can anybody say? Is it 2? Yes. And dekho, your y value will be 3 and your y value will be 2 and your y value will be 1. Those everybody know. At last finally your answers will be what? X is equal to 9 here, x is equal to 16 here, x is equal to 23 here. Am I right or wrong? And your z is common. Now how many possible values did you got there? Here 4. In the previous one there is 1. So totally your answer will be how much? Did you got 5 there? Very good. Excellent. And this is your answer. Now what is the difficulty that you faced here? Those who can write down the question in pictorial manner can solve the question very easily. Now come to this question. Did anybody answer this? Satvik, did you got any answer for this? Again 2 minutes for this. So try it. So keep your pen on the paper. Even if it is wrong, don't worry about it. So check the procedure what you are doing. How much you are right. This is the way of learning the things. Satvik, any answer for this? Rohit, Sudhir, have you done it? Yesterday I have given the same question for you. Again, those who can write down the data perfectly can answer this question. Sachin buys some pencils and erasers using a certain amount of money. Okay, the total price of one pencil and one eraser is equal to price of one pen, it seems. Okay, he bought thrice as many pens as pencils. Okay, and half as many pencils as erasers, it seems. If he had exchanged the number of pens and erasers, he would have saved rupees 20. How much money did he spend on buying pencils is the question asked. Okay. How many of you got the answer there? 30 seconds, right? See here, that's an easy one. 30 seconds more. So as you said that you asked for a quiz test also in the class, so that's why I'm conducting this. If you are not interested, chalo, I will avoid it and I'll directly go for the questions itself. 10 seconds more. 10 seconds more. 5 seconds. So they go, see here, I'll do as simple as possible there. Now what I will do is I will take like this: price of one pencil. The point given here is price of one pencil plus one eraser is equal to price of one pen, it seems. Am I right or wrong? Is this the point given there? Yes, Revanth, very good. Revanth have given me the answer. So what I will do is, for my convenience, I will take price of one pencil as A. I will take price of one eraser as B. So price of one pen will be A plus B. Yes. Now the point given here is, let us take like this: number of pencils. So I will take like this: number of pencils. Now what I will do is, I will take my number of pencils as X. Closely observe there, he bought thrice as many pens as pencils, it seems. So automatically your pen number of pens will be how much? Thrice as many pens as pencils means, is it 3x? Yes, perfectly. And see here, half as many pencils as erasers, it seems. As erasers matlab, आप देखो इधर, if your erasers value is 2x, half of eraser value must be your pencil, which is x. Is it clear? Done. Perfectly. Those who can write down this equation can easily solve the things fatafat. Now what happened? If he had exchanged the number of pens and erasers, he would have saved rupees 20, is the question asked. How much money did he spend on buying pencils is the question asked. Now I will do like this. Before exchanging, what happens? After exchanging, what happens? You have saved 20 rupees in this two exchanges. So I'll do like this. Before exchanging, see here, one pencil cost is A. How many pencils are there? X pencils are there. A into X is nothing but total amount on pencils. Plus, now one eraser cost is B. You have 2x erasers. 2x into B is nothing but total eraser cost. Plus, you bought 3x pens and pen cost is A plus B. Am I right or wrong? One pencil plus eraser is equal to pen. Am I right? Very good. So at last, finally, what do you get upon solving all those things? You will get 4ax plus 5xb. Yes. Okay, done. So after exchanging, I will write down. After exchanging, what happens? I will write down the equation. So you have no need to write down all these things. For the sake of explanation, I am writing all those things. After exchanging, what happens? अब देखो closely, what you have exchanged number of pens and erasers, it seems. So there is no change in pencils. So pencils cost will be ax only. Now see here, erasers, number of erasers is 2x, but you have invested a plus b. Am I right or wrong? Number of erasers change, I mean number of pens and erasers are changed. So 2x into a plus b pens, 3x into b will be the cost. Now at last, finally the equation will be how much? 3ax plus 5xb. Am I right? Now see here, subtract this, then it is not 120 here. Ax is equal to 20. Am I right or wrong? Check there. Subtract this 4ax minus 3ax will be ax left over. 5xb gets cancelled. At last ax will be, so that what is the total amount that you have saved? You have saved 20 rupees. Now what is this ax? Total amount that you have invested on pencils. Am I right or wrong? Total amount that you have invested on the pencils. Now what is the question asked? How much money did you spend on buying pencils? How much money did you spend there? Is it 20 rupees? Is this your answer there? Yes, this is your answer there. Done. Perfectly done. So how many of you got the same answer there? So see here, I have done nothing there. I have written just the data into a pictorial equation. Automatically I got the answer there. I think I am clear. Yes, very good. Let's see this question. Yes. Right. Now, already we have done a say similar type of question yesterday. Let me know how many can solve this. Again, 2 minutes. So yesterday we have solved one hostel based question. So variable cost will be dependent upon the number of boys in the hostel, right? And the same question, right? I have changed it into cows and grass. Let me know the answer for this. How many can answer this? So I'll end with this question. Tomorrow we will solve remaining questions with variation topic, and then we will go to averages. And today's homework question also I'll give it. So you have, so answer in the comment section box here. No need. Those who got the answers, let me know the answers in the comment section box. Enough. So trust me, you can get maximum marks out of 15. At least you can get 13 marks if you attend my sessions. Anybody answer for this? This is an easy question. We'll do two more. This one and one more, then we'll end the session. Twenty seconds more. Arey, these questions 1 minute is more than enough. Satvik gave me the answer as A, 24 it seems. What about the remaining persons? Revant also gave me, Revant is saying that it is 20. Now first of all, once check there is a ground. And in this ground, grass grows at a uniform rate it seems. So I will take this uniform rate as R units per day. So grass grows at R units per day. I will take down like this. R units per day growth rate. Okay. Now देखो इधर, it takes 24 days for 70 cows to graze the ground completely is the question asked. अब देखो on the first day there will be some amount of grass available on the ground. Now I will take this amount of grass available on the ground on the first day as G. Yes, now this is the amount of grass available on the first day is G plus. Now, how many cows will graze? 70 cows will graze for 24 days it seems. For this 24 days, will the same amount of grass will be available on the ground? No. Grass grows at R units per day. So, for 24 days, grass grows at R units per day. Now, this is the total amount of grass available on the ground. Now, this will be grazed by 70 cows for how many days? 24 days. Am I right or wrong? So 70 cows 1 day, so totally 24 days. Now this is the equation. How many of you frame the same equation, then automatically you'll get the answer. Now ground, however, if there are only 30 cow, they could graze the entire ground in 60 days only. So I'll take like this. Amount of grass available on the first day is G. So 60 days the grass will grow at a uniform rate of R. Now this total grass will be grazed by 30 cows in how many days? 60 days. Now you got two equations. Solve these two equations, you will get the answer of an R. So subtract this. Now G gets cancelled. 60 minus 24 is how much? Is it 36? 36 R. Now this is 1800. Now 7 4s are 28. 7 2s are 14, 16, 16, 18. Is it 120? Yes, 120. So can I take down like this? 6 6 are 6 20s are. Am I right or wrong? Can I write down this as 10 by 3? R is nothing but 10 by 3. Yes, perfectly. So you got R value. Substitute R value in any of these equations, you will get G value also. So I will substitute R value here 10 by 3. So 320, 200. So G is nothing but how much? Is it 1600? Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. 1600. So, देखो, you got your, how many cows will graze the entire ground in 96 days is the question asked. Now, देखो इधर, you know G value. Now, observe here, in 96 days, R is nothing but the units of grass grown per day will be eaten by 96 in 96 days by how many cows is the question asked. Now, yes, 20 is the answer. Very good. Now, grass is 1600 plus 96 into 10 by 3 is equal to 96. So 3 ones are 332s are. So 320, it is 1920. 1920 by 96. So 96 twos are 192 and your C value is nothing but how much? 20. So how many cows are there? 20 cows will graze this entire ground and your answer is D. Somebody gave me 24 here. Who is that? Satvik, you gave me A option. It is not 24 then. So those who can frame the equation perfectly can solve this question fatafat. Right. Last one for the class and let me know the answer for this. So many have a doubt, sir. Is this the only procedure to solve the question? No, there are many higher techniques to solve the question. Now let me know how many can solve this question. I will be giving only 1 minute for this. As you know, only one procedure you can solve with this procedure. Upon completing the topics, you can refine your approach very well. At last, finally, you can find out the best approach to solve the questions. Don't worry about that. Now I will show you the best things to solve the questions there. Satvik have given me 10. What about the remaining persons? Only one person. How did you solve it, Satvik? What is the procedure that you followed to solve this? Please let me know. What is the procedure that you followed to solve the question? Taking x and y, that is a normal technique. So I will solve in a separate way. Once check there. As we are doing simple equations, most of the students will solve in this manner. Now there is a 26 question test. For 5 points were deducted for each wrong answer and 8 points are added for right answer. If all the questions were answered, how many were correct if the score was 0 it seems. Ab dekho, let us write down like this. Correct answers, let us take it as x. Wrong answers, let us take it as y number of wrong answers. For every wrong answer, minus 5 marks will be deducted. For every correct answer, 8 marks will be given. So can I write down like this? 8 into x is nothing but the total marks obtained for correct answers. Minus 5 into y is nothing but the total marks deducted for wrong answers, which will be equal to 0 because your total score was 0. Now, dekho either x plus y is nothing but equal to 26. Am I right or wrong? Now you can solve these two equations. Am I right? So I will multiply this equation with 5 and then you can directly make it as 8 plus 5 is 13x. Now 5y will get cancelled. 26 into 5 and your x value will be how much? 10 and your correct answers will be 10 and this is your answer. Now I have one more technique to solve. Yes, Satvik, you can apply allegation rule. Yes. Now dekho, yes, in the next class I will be explaining you allegation rule where 70% of the questions in profit and loss, simple interest and compound interest, time, speed, distance, time and work can be solved with this allegation rule. Ab dekho idhar, for every correct answer you will get 8 marks. For every wrong answer you will get minus 5 marks. When you club this both, at last finally you got 0 marks. Now by allegation rule, dekho idhar 8 minus 0 will be 8. 0 of minus 5 will be 5. अब देखो this is correct answers and this is wrong answers. अब देखो x value will be 5 and y value will be 8 and this is ratios. X is to y is given as 5 is to 8. And everybody know a ratio will be formed by taking a common factor. So 5a plus 8a will be equal to 13a. This 13a will be equal to 26 questions. And you are asked to find out 5a value. And what is your answer there? Is it 10? And that is your answer. So by using alligation rule, you can solve any question up to any level very easily. So in tomorrow's class, I will be explaining you alligation rule, and tomorrow we will be having a quiz, and it will be an Unacademy app. So try to attend for the quiz and try to attend for the next topic, right? I think I am clear up to now. Now my homework for today is, this is the question, right? Now take a screenshot of this question and you have to answer this question. Answer for this question. For tomorrow's class you have to answer, right? In other method, what do you want another method? You can go with the options. Tomorrow I'll explain all the methods also, right? I gave you simple equation method, I will explain another methods also. Upon completing the topics, I can explain you. So take a screenshot and let me know the answer, and those who know the answer can comment me in the comment section box, right? And this is one more question where you can try it. I will forward the PDF to the Telegram group. You can try for the next class, okay? So those who want the notes can join this Telegram group, and all the other Telegram group links are also in the description. You can join any Telegram group of your choice, okay? And these are the many were asking, right? As we want geography, history for RRB SSC, this is the channel where you can get the best from Anurag Singh sir. Those who want to prepare for SSC JE, Kemendra sir, right? Some stalwarts are teaching there. So those who want ESE, right? Prelims, right? Project management, ethics, ecology. I have done on creatives. I have done on mechanical channel. Go through that. And many were asking me for technical things on computer science, right? C, C+, up to machine learning. Everything is dealt on this YouTube channel. Go through that. And use these channels for you, right? And those who want to unlock the free courses on Unacademy, you can use my code NLN10 to unlock. And those who want to take subscription can use my code, right? And this is for plus and this is for iconic. Okay? And NL. So any doubts for South India candidates, you can ask me or Bhim Shankar sir. So we are the one we can help you in the best way, right? So as we are a national pool, we can help you in the best way. You can contact us. Done. Let's meet tomorrow sharp 6:15 p.m. right? And tomorrow we will solve alligation rule and the best questions and all the PYQs regarding the completed topic. Thank you and good night.